Hi guys, this is Dr. Baker and today on Mug Madness we'll be learning how to make this Nutella donut in a mug. So let's get started. Firstly, take some melted butter in a mug. Here I'm using salted butter, but you can absolutely use unsalted butter and add a pinch of salt to your flour. Add in the white sugar and mix everything together until it is combined. Add in the milk and also add in the ground flax and water mixture. Add the baking powder to your flour and add the flour mixture to the mug. Mix everything together until it is well combined and add a big spoonful of Nutella to the center of the batter. Just move the Nutella around so that it is distributed kind of evenly and microwave it for 45 seconds. It is ready and it should spring back to your touch. Add some cinnamon sugar to the top and also a big spoonful of Nutella and enjoy. I hope you guys like it and you make it. For entire recipe, go on to my website. Thank you for watching.